The Yamaha TMAX-Tech 2025 redefines the world of scooters with unmatched style, power, and sophistication. It's not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of freedom, speed, and luxury. Designed for urban explorers and thrill seekers alike, this masterpiece represents the perfect blend of performance and elegance. Every curve and contour of the TMAX-Tech 2025 is crafted to perfection, exuding a bold and dynamic presence that turns heads wherever it goes. At the heart of this scooter lies a high-performance engine that delivers exhilarating acceleration and exceptional power. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or cruising down open roads, the TMAX-Tech 2025 offers an agile and responsive ride like no other. Its advanced transmission system ensures smooth gear shifts, providing a seamless and thrilling riding experience. With its powerful torque and lightning-fast acceleration, every ride is an adventure waiting to happen. The design of the TMAX-Tech 2025 speaks volumes about Yamaha's commitment to innovation and style. Its aerodynamic bodywork not only enhances performance but also gives it a sleek and futuristic look. The sharp lines and aggressive stance create a bold visual impact, while the premium paint finish adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. Every detail, from the front grille to the sporty exhaust, is crafted to perfection, making the TMAX-Tech 2025 a true work of art on wheels. Comfort is at the core of the TMAX-Tech 2025's design philosophy. Its ergonomically designed seat provides optimal support, ensuring a comfortable ride even on long journeys. The spacious footrests and adjustable handlebars allow for a relaxed and natural riding posture, reducing fatigue and enhancing overall comfort. The scooter also features an adjustable windscreen that provides excellent wind protection, making every ride smooth and enjoyable, regardless of weather conditions. The TMAX-Tech 2025 is packed with advanced technology that enhances convenience, safety, and connectivity. Its fully digital instrument panel offers a clear and intuitive interface, displaying real-time information such as speed, fuel level, and navigation details. The smart key system allows for keyless ignition and easy access, providing a seamless and hassle-free riding experience. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily sync your smartphone, enabling music streaming, calls, and navigation without taking your hands off the handlebars. Safety is paramount, and the TMAX-Tech 2025 is equipped with state-of-the-art safety features that inspire confidence on every ride. Its advanced braking system ensures precise and powerful stopping power, while the anti-lock braking system (ABS) prevents wheel lockup for maximum control during sudden braking. The traction control system provides enhanced stability and grip on slippery surfaces, ensuring safe and reliable performance in all weather conditions. The lighting system of the TMAX-Tech 2025 is designed for maximum visibility and safety. Its powerful LED headlights illuminate the road ahead with exceptional clarity, while the integrated daytime running lights enhance visibility during the day. The sleek LED taillights provide a modern and distinctive look, ensuring that you're clearly visible to other road users at all times. With its adaptive lighting technology, the TMAX-Tech 2025 automatically adjusts the beam angle according to speed and riding conditions, providing optimal visibility and safety. Storage and practicality are not compromised in the TMAX-Tech 2025. It features a spacious under-seat compartment that can easily accommodate a full-face helmet and other essentials. Additionally, the scooter is equipped with convenient storage pockets and a USB charging port, allowing you to keep your devices powered on the go. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend getaway, the TMAX-Tech 2025 provides the versatility and convenience you need. The TMAX-Tech 2025 is engineered to deliver exceptional handling and stability. Its lightweight yet robust frame provides excellent rigidity, ensuring precise and agile cornering. The advanced suspension system absorbs road imperfections, delivering a smooth and comfortable ride on any terrain. The wide tires offer superior grip and stability, giving you the confidence to navigate tight turns and challenging roads with ease. Yamaha's commitment to environmental sustainability is reflected in the TMAX-Tech 2025's eco-friendly design. Its high-efficiency engine delivers impressive fuel economy while reducing emissions, making it a responsible choice for urban commuting. The scooter is also equipped with a start-stop system that automatically shuts off the engine when idling, reducing fuel consumption and minimizing environmental impact. Customization is a key feature of the TMAX-Tech 2025. Yamaha offers a wide range of accessories and color options, allowing you to personalize your scooter to match your style. From sporty decals to premium seat covers, you can create a unique and personalized look that reflects your personality. Whether you prefer a bold and aggressive appearance or a sleek and sophisticated style, the TMAX-Tech 2025 adapts to your taste. The riding experience offered by the TMAX-Tech 2025 is truly exhilarating. Its powerful acceleration and responsive handling create an adrenaline-pumping ride, while its smooth transmission ensures effortless gear shifts. The sporty exhaust note adds to the excitement, delivering a thrilling and immersive sound experience. Every ride on the TMAX-Tech 2025 is a celebration of speed, power, and freedom. The TMAX-Tech 2025 is not just a scooter, it's a lifestyle statement. It embodies the spirit of adventure, freedom, and individuality. Whether you're exploring city streets or venturing on a road trip, this scooter empowers you to live life on your own terms. It's designed for those who dare to dream big and chase new horizons. Yamaha's legacy of quality and reliability is evident in every component of the TMAX-Tech 2025. It's built to withstand the test of time, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. With its robust construction and premium materials, this scooter is designed to handle the demands of daily commuting and long-distance travel with ease. The Yamaha TMAX-Tech 2025 is the ultimate expression of performance, style, and innovation. It's a scooter that challenges conventions and sets new standards in the world of urban mobility. With its advanced technology, exceptional performance, and luxurious comfort, it offers a riding experience like no other. It's more than just a means of transportation, it's a symbol of freedom, power, and sophistication. Experience the thrill of riding the Yamaha TMAX-Tech 2025. Feel the power, enjoy the comfort, and discover the freedom that comes with owning the most advanced scooter in its class. Whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring new destinations, the TMAX-Tech 2025 is your perfect companion. It's not just about reaching your destination, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey. Choose the Yamaha TMAX-Tech 2025 and redefine your riding experience. It's time to embrace the future of urban mobility with confidence and style. It's time to ride the Yamaha TMAX-Tech 2025. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime?